Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. In this class, I will show to you how you can create holiday design in Adobe Illustrator CC from scratch. So guys, let's start. I have opened Adobe Illustrator CC and also I have created simple document. Of course guys, you can create your document in any size you like. Now, in this part of our class, I will show to you how you can create background for your holiday design. First of all, I will switch to rectangle tool and I will specify that I don't need stroke color for my background, but I would like to have my background with bright red color, just like that. Let me move color palette somewhere in the middle, just like that. So, using my rectangle tool, I will create a simple shape. This shape will be my holiday background. I like the color, but guys, I would like to apply a gradient to my background. You can apply gradient to your design using primarily using two ways: mesh and new freeform gradient. Now I will show you how you can apply gradient using new freeform gradient. To apply freeform gradient, you need to switch to gradient tool, just like that. And in properties panel, you need to specify, you need to click on freeform gradient, just like that. And now guys, what do we have? We have many wonderful options. First of all, I would like to bring your attention to all those points. All those points are color stubs. You can move color stubs. Look at this. You can delete color stub. Just click and drag your color stub out of your document. You can add a new color stub. Simply click at any point, just like that. And again, if you would like to delete, just drag out it. Also guys, you can as I said before, you can click on your color stub. You can increase or decrease gradient, just like that. Look at this, how beautiful is it? I love it. In a properties panel, if you will expand a gradient workspace, you can see that you can switch between points and lines. If you will decide to use lines, you simply can draw your gradient just like that. Look at this guys, I love it. If you would like to use points, simply click on points and voila, this will be your point. I will delete those two color stubs, I don't need them, just like that. So guys, also let's apply first color to our gradient. I would like to have white color as it is, perfect. And guys, by the way, I can adjust intensity of my colors. I can apply very beautiful transition between multiple colors. Look at this guys, I have highlighted this color stub. I will expand gradient workspace just like that. And here guys, I can change opacity of my color stub. Look at this. Also, I can change the spread from 0% to 100%. Everything is up to you. Let's check, switch to 50%, just like that. Now guys, I will click on another color stub, this one. And also I will fill this color stub with bright red color. And let's change something. I will change opacity to 80%, just like that, and spread to 50%, just like this guys. Look at this. Maybe 50% it's too much. I will switch to 30%. Yes. Now I will activate this color stub guys, and look at this, I can move it. I will move it somewhere in the middle, just like that. And I love everything about this color stub, so I will change nothing. I will activate this color stub and I will change color. a red one, and same the last one. I will use a red color as well. So guys, we have basically white and red colors with splash of yellow color. I love it. I love some splash of accent in my design. So this is my background. Again guys, if you would like to change anything, you can do it. Example, I will highlight this color stub, I will expand workspace, and I will change opacity to 50%. Just like that. Look at this, guys. Nice. I love it, love it, love it. But to bring more a seamless transition between multiple colors, I will highlight this color stub and I will change opacity to 70%. Just like that. And same here. See guys, you can play with all numbers. You can create a completely different, unexpected design using freeform gradient. So guys, this is my background for my holiday design. Give me 1 second. I will be back with another part of our class. I will show you how you can create a holiday ornament from scratch. So guys, give me just 1 second and I will be back.